Hi, boys and girls. My name is Ms. Castaneda, and I am with the TAMIU-LBV partnership. You just heard a great story, Birds, written by Kevin Henkes. If you haven't listened to the story yet, pause this video and click the link in the post. Now that you've listened to the story, let's think about and discuss some important parts of the story. What and who was the story about? The story was about a little girl that could see birds of all shapes, color, and sizes. When and where did the little girl hear the birds? The little girl heard the birds singing in the morning outside her window. Now the next question is a fill in the blank. The little girl saw birds of different colors and different The little girl saw birds of different color and different sizes. How many birds did the little girl see on the wire, and what were they doing? The little girl saw 7 birds on the wire, and they did not move. Do you think the little girl likes birds? Yes, because at the end of the story, she was pretending that she was a bird flying. Think about how the little girl talked about the different birds she saw outside her window. You can use a graphic organizer like this one to help you brainstorm what you're going to write about. Now write about 3 different types of birds you have seen outside your window. Once you're done writing, draw a picture to go with it. Post your writing and picture in the comments below. We'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check if you can take the AR quiz number 128270. Goodbye.